Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and this is today's tip of the day. So today I want to show you how to lie down and get up from the bed, especially for patients with back pain. A lot of them, they ask me, how do I properly get up without hurting my back more? So this is one thing I'm going to show you, and hopefully we'll be able to help you out. So now, if you're going to be lying down on the bed, so let's say for example, this is your bed at home. So I want you to sit on the edge first like this, all right? And then most people, what we do is we lie down straight like this, all right? So that's not what you want to do, because when you lie down this way, you're going to strain your back, and especially getting up, this is how almost everybody comes up. Now, the proper way to do this is, I want you to lie down on your side first. So you lie down sideways like this. You can even have your arm help to support you. And then bring your legs up this way. And then when you're on the bed already, that's when you turn. And then you lie down straight, okay? So what you're doing there is the shoulder and the hip should go roll at the same time. That's what we call log rolling. So now, getting off the bed, I want you to turn hip and shoulder same time, also to one side. You can do it for the other side if that's easier for you, or that's where you have space to get off. And then you want to drop the legs and push up with the arms. That way, you're not straining your back. All right, going to the side is more natural movement for your spine rather than coming straight up. So try that and let me know how you feel. Feel free to leave your comments below, and I hope that helps you out.